Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to draw dotted lines in Illustrator step by step so you can create professional-looking designs with ease. Step 1. Start by selecting your line segment tool from the toolbar. Change the fill color to none and set the stroke color to red. Adjust the stroke weight to 20 points, then click and drag on the artboard to draw a straight line. Step 2. Go to Window and open the Stroke panel. In the Stroke panel, change the cap option to round caps, then check the dashed line box. Set the dash value to 1 and the gap value to 28, and press Enter. This will instantly convert your line into a dotted line. Step 3. To create dots using shapes, select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw a small circle. Adjust the size and spacing as needed by highlighting the gap number in the Stroke panel and pressing the up or down arrow keys on your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Illustrator tutorials.